Before buying a cordless air paint sprayer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many sprayers look great on paper, but real buyers have some eye-opening experiences that can help you avoid a mistake. Product number 1, Tillswall Shark 700. The Tillswall Brushless Cordless Paint Sprayer Shark 700. Priced at $69.99, this sprayer caught my eye with its promise of a smoother finish thanks to its advanced brushless motor technology. If you want a reliable setup for your painting projects, this is worth a serious look. The Shark 700 features a powerful 90,000 RPM brushless motor, which means you get a consistent and smooth application without the annoying vibrations common in other sprayers. It has a generous 1,300 milliliter tank, letting you cover large areas without constant refilling. Plus, its side feed design makes adding paint a breeze, cutting down on mess and hassle. If you're painting fences, furniture, or even walls, this sprayer is designed to handle it all with 3 adjustable spray patterns for maximum control. Now, some users mentioned that the setup could be a bit confusing, especially for first-timers. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of it, the learning curve is worth it for the quality of the finish. If you're patient and willing to experiment a bit, you'll be rewarded with professional-looking results. This is perfect for you if you're tackling multiple indoor and outdoor projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something super straightforward right out of the box. For the price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the Shark 700's learning curve concerns you, the next product might take a different approach. Product number 2, Tillswall Shark 800. Another great option from Tillswall, the Shark 800. Also priced at $69.99, this model stands out with its 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns. If you're looking for versatility in your paint job, this sprayer deserves your attention. What I really love about the Shark 800 is its compatibility with various paint types, which means you can tackle everything from thick latex to stains without worrying about clogging. It comes with a 43.96 fluid ounce tank, allowing for significant coverage without frequent refills. With 4 brass nozzles included, you can easily switch between detail work and larger surfaces, adapting to whatever project you have in mind. Some users have pointed out that it may be slightly heavier than some other models, but here's the thing, the weight contributes to a more stable spray, which can actually improve your results on larger projects. For those who are up for a bit of exercise while painting, this may not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy working on DIY furniture or outdoor projects. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter for small, quick jobs. For the features it offers, the price feels justified. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller projects. Product number 3, Histily Ryobi Compatible. Let's talk about the Histily Paint Sprayer, priced at just $47.49. This one's designed for those of you who already have a Ryobi battery. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this might be the one for you. The standout feature here is its lightweight design at only 2.5 pounds, making it super easy to handle for extended periods. It has a 1,000 ml tank and is compatible with various nozzles, allowing you to switch between different paint flows. Users love how straightforward it is to clean. Just spray water through it after use and you're good to go. This is honestly a big plus for anyone who hates cleanup after a painting session. However, some users have reported that it can struggle with thicker paints without proper thinning. Here's the thing though, most paint sprayers require some prep work to get the best results, so consider this more of a guideline than a deal breaker if you're willing to do a bit of extra work. This is perfect for you if you're tackling smaller projects like cabinets or fences. Skip this one if you plan on using heavy-duty paints regularly. For the price, it's hard to beat the value. All right, if you're looking for a higher capacity option, the next product offers that in spades. Product number 4, Liva Vista 1400 milliliters. The Liva Vista Cordless Paint Sprayer, priced at $69.89. This one really impressed me with its 1400 milliliters capacity, making it a fantastic choice for larger projects. If you want to cover a lot of ground quickly, this sprayer is worth considering. This sprayer features 6 different nozzles, allowing for a wide range of spray patterns and flow rates. Whether you're painting a large wall or doing detail work, you can adjust the spray to match your needs. The built-in LED light is a nice touch too. It helps illuminate those tricky spots in darker areas, ensuring you don't miss any corners. One downside is that it's a bit heavier than other models, which some users found inconvenient. However, the larger tank means fewer refills, which can actually speed up your project overall. So if you're aiming for efficiency, the weight might be a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're working on extensive painting jobs or renovations. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for quick touch-ups. For the size and features, it offers solid bang for your buck. Now, for our final pick, we have a contender that balances performance and affordability. Product number 5, Grion Cordless Paint Sprayer. Let's check out the Grion Cordless Paint Sprayer, which is priced at an attractive $49.99. This one caught my attention with its brushless motor and built-in LED light, making it a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. If you want a reliable option without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. The Grion sprayer has a 1,400 milliliter tank and features 4 different nozzle sizes. This versatility allows you to tackle anything from small furniture to larger walls efficiently. The brushless motor also means that it operates quietly and lasts longer than traditional motors, which is a big plus for those longer projects. Some users mention that assembly can be a little tricky at first. Here's the thing, once you get through the initial setup, it's pretty straightforward to use. If you're someone who appreciates a little hands-on experience, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking to upgrade your painting tools. Skip this one if you want something that's ready to go right out of the box without any setup. Given its features, it really offers great value for the price.
The Tillswall Shark 700 is excellent for those who don't mind a learning curve. The Shark 800 offers great versatility. Histily is perfect for budget-conscious Ryobi users. Livy Vista excels in larger projects, and Grion provides amazing value with its brushless motor. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.